we're going to show you some of Elowyn's favorite games and activities to do in the water. Fun is one of the most important aspects of a young swimmer's experience. If they don't enjoy swimming, then they won't stick to it long enough to reach their potential.
For babies, a fun class is a stimulating class. They love colorful toys and an environment that allows them to discover their newly developing motor skills. Bend your knees.
When we found out that there was a toy or a game that Elowyn really enjoyed, we'd use that to teach her different swimming skills. These colorful diving rings are great for teaching breath control. Even when she seems to prefer staying above the water, she'll still go under and get them.
A fun goal makes a skill like breath control less tedious and more exciting.
The cleanup game is one of her favorites. We scattered toys throughout the pool, and then she goes and retrieves them and puts them back in the basket.
Good job, Elowyn. Bravo, girl.
She can learn so many different skills this way, from just reaching and grasping when she was a small infant, to kicking and reaching and pulling to make her way around the pool.
Bravo.
Elowyn loves a slide.
And water slides are a blast.
Elowyn loves the ocean, and even when she's just splashing around, as long as she's enjoying it, we're happy. When they love the water, little swimmers are much more likely to try difficult skills.
We were shocked when Elowyn asked us if she could jump off the diving board.
Nicely done.
Elowyn loves going for rides on Daddy's back.
And flying through the air with Mommy.
Something as seemingly silly as flying through the air is actually preparing her to be in a perfect body position to make this glide to the stairs. When Elowyn is playing and excited, it's especially important for us to be consistent about safety rules, like slowing down to walk by the pool as you see her do here, and using her safety toes before she excitedly jumps in.
Jumping into the water is a skill that most kids love and that teaches them so much about breath control, buoyancy, and managing their bodies in the water.
It's a great fun way to work on all of those things when you're at a pool with your little one.
Of course, some games are just for fun.
We use play to teach, but ultimately, we're teaching her how to safely play.
Hey Elowyn, what's your next video about?
Water safety.
Water safety.
Yay!
Yay! Well done. Can I have a high five?